Hello everyone, welcome back to another stream, which we will be doing. We will be working on the shadows, continuing from the last one yesterday. Hopefully it's gonna go well. Yeah. So I think we're asking Gemini. Apparently the vertex shader doesn't do anything. And I think that is because we calculated by the model. It should now work. Yes, it does. But it's still no shadows. But I think you have to calculate it by the uniform model. I don't know if I'm sending any data to the uniform model shader. Yeah, no. No, there are no. And about yeah, still hasn't finished yet. I mean, it's because of Ardano's pace. Oh, sorry. Yep. I do what do you call that? Duolingo, by the way. Because he's still alive, so hopefully he's gonna check out my video later. Or yeah, hopefully he's gonna check my video like later, I presume. Wait, let me check if I'm using the right microphone. Yeah, sorry for the spike, but yeah, I am. So like, yeah, we do that. Render scene. So like, you want me just to call the render scene? Yep. Okay. So the render scene has like things like but it doesn't show I'm streaming. It should. Why not? Well, I'm streaming anyways. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. I know they can like anyways. So we wanna render the scene. Oh, so it changed how we create the shader program. You want us to change that? Yeah, vertex fragments and I don't know. Okay, let's check it out anyways. Yeah, there you go. So I have mine is just very basic. So yeah, there are the shader programs. Fragment. Otherwise it just crashes. We don't want to keep up with it. Vertex shader source. If it's false, I mean, we do that. Okay, like you want us like you want me to like um to load the shader from the file. I actually that's how I actually do that actually. Let me take you to the main. Yeah, I think we copied this from Gemini yesterday. So where do I here I create the shader program. Wait, I think I completely screw using loading what from file. Okay, yeah, there you this place. Yeah, my bad. I had to sneeze, you know. I had to sneeze off screen, off stream. Fuck, I need more space. That suck, but anyways. Let's say hello to drug someone's attention, possibly. At least my friends, you know. Yeah, so I don't really know why we do this once. Yeah, my bad. I had to sneeze yet again. So did I. My bad. Um, sir, I don't get it. Like, I wanna see where I'm like doing. Okay, so we use the same thing to. Alright, now I see why. Why would I? Oh, posterior. Alright, I got you. This simple plain mesh. Yo, you don't even have to like do a lot. I actually have a function that does the same thing. Yeah, whatever. I know that I have that. So I initialize the shadow here. Alright, let's make our shader program creating function more advanced. Great. Oh, there you. So we actually will yeah, let's see how it does it. First of all, we need the has constant character vertex path, then a constant character fragment path. Yep, cool. So like yeah, for the vertex is very straightforward. Load share profile vertex path. So the fragment paths load shader profile fragment path, otherwise It's a null pointer. Yeah, you don't know how much I hate enums. Fragment path lost shader from file fragment path. If nothing, then it's a null pointer. If you didn't provide anything, alright, great. So like we actually check for this fragment paths and okay, GLU integer vertex shader. Yeah, we did that, but I just compile shader. It's a vertex shader, and the vertex shader source is here as stated, and we check, yeah. But okay, so we're heavily modifying the fragment shader. Fragment shader to 0, we initialize it on 0. Then fragment shader, compile shader, GL fragment shader, and the source. Yeah, let's do that. So we actually initialize it as 0. My bad, bro. Okay. Alright, anyways. So we initialized it on to 0. So now we have to check if fragment path is true, and then yeah, if it is not a null pointer or something, fragment shader cool. So now we check for any error when compiling the shader or wait one second, I wanna check this. What? No. Wait, shader isn't it like shading, isn't it? Yeah, I mean shade. Like I thought shader was like something like shade. I don't know if it have shade this way. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Okay, so now we create the program. We attach the shader program with the vertex, but for the fragment to check if the path is true, and if it is, then we attach. It's just an error handling, so the program doesn't crash. If fragment path GL delete shader fragment shader shader. So let me bring sorry, then let's bring this thing up. Cool. Alright, wait, no, I followed the wrong one. So here we attach the shader, looks like so. You attach shader problem and fragment shader. Yeah, cool. So like, I don't see anything wrong. GLU integer. Am I going insane, dude? Because I've never attached the shader the vertex. I do, but do I get after the fragment? I don't know, it doesn't feel good, to be honest. Because most of the time when I do attach the vertex shader to the shader program before I attach the fragment shader to the shader program, it's like a tradition anymore. Yeah, so now it's showing. We don't need this thing. Alright, go. This is actually our 7th day stream. Cool. Even though it was not from the OpenGL ground up, I started working on the project before I even started to stream. GL attach shader. Where do I do that? Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, we do that, so not really. So where do we link it? Yeah, after attaching we link, then we will check if there is any program link errors. Yeah, I also wrote that function before I started the streaming. So now we actually remove this thing, then if fragment shader gl delete shader fragment shader. Yep, cool. So no, we don't need this. We now delete both of the source so it doesn't leak the memory. We only do that if the path actually exists. I mean, if it doesn't, why would we even do that, to be honest? Okay. Yeah, we've got that, isn't it? Huh. Oh, I mean, shadow. Yep. We just have the comments. Pretty much the same thing. Alright. Please, hopefully it's gonna work, hopefully. Shadows have never worked for me. Wait, are we like 1000 line? Damn. Void render scene. And we want the shader program because, you know, that's where it works, to be honest. Shader program, it's a shader program, but it's alright naming it shader. There's nothing wrong with it. So math power. I want to check something. Oh, matrix. So it's matrix type. Gauge. I mean, what did I say? I gauge. I gotcha. I gotcha. Whatever. So now we render the scene here. I does that. No, wait, I do that, but not quite efficiently because yeah, it's me. I feel like it's been redone somewhere, but whatever. So guys, I think I should not write like whatever you do by hand. I mean, even though it's alright, it takes time. Play mesh draw, huh? So I think you want me for the planet skull mesh to be public. I can make it public, but the way I do the plane mesh is a little different, to be honest. But okay, we'll see. Skull mesh. I think we should do the car than the skull. I mean, I don't draw the skull, to be honest. So like, let's remove the mesh thing here. Then, like after the mesh, let's do a mesh car model. So now, I think it should be alright. Right, where is it? There you go. Now what's late though? Car model. What do you mean? Think I should let Gemini know how my draw function is like. There you go, this is where I create my draw thing. So yeah, pretty much the same thing. Yep. So yeah, we use the shader and we calculate the model matrix. I think it wants us to change it, or I mean it's the same thing. Oh, it's before. Oh, so just this. Sure. Alright, okay. Bro, I know I wasted a lot of time writing this code. I saw it. Then I went through a lot of documentation to write, but sorry. Wait, where do we even use like the shader? Where are we even using that? Yeah, so we don't set it, okay? Cool, let's try that. I've never done that, to be honest. Has texture and textures dot empty. Cool. GL uniform one eye. GL get uniform location shader and uniform view texture. Then it has texture. So yep. Now there are gonna be errors because there is somewhere I use the draw. This is an example where I use the draw function. Anyone? No, not yet. Hopefully Lucas is gonna see that and join, maybe. I mean, he's still streaming. He's got a natural and everything. Okay, whatever. Where we were at the draw function. Let's make the point out every error. First of all, the mesh draw. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Where? So what's wrong with it? Oh, so everything is fixed. All I've gotta do is here at the class remove everything and more errors I see. Play mesh draw render scene. Oh yeah, don't worry about it, it's gonna be fixed. What the hell? I don't see anything. Am I blind? Mate, you gotta tell me where the error is. Create a shader program. Oh, nah, don't worry about it. You're coming. So like draw. So I think as of the current state the program cannot be executed. It can be actually executed, but we won't be able to see anything, to be honest. Has textures. GL activate. Okay, cool. So we told the uniform value to use the texture 0. So everything is on 0. 2D. 1D is just basically an array. Textures 0.id texture. Cool. Alright. Okay. No, this main loop will handle obeying the shadow map to GL texture. Okay. GL bind vertex array. This to VL and GL draw elements. GL triangles. Damn, I just copied this thing. Sorry, but I have to do it. Then we clean up. GL vertex array to 0 and GL texture GL texture 0. Where did the logic go? The render loop. Play mesh. How do I even create a play mesh? My current plane code is very different, not gonna lie. Cool. So I need to say something. I think the plane can work with the plane how it is. So I think I have to just where is the plane? Draw plane 3D. Copy that. And where's the shader? There you paste it here. So this is how the draw plane thing really works, my god. So I hate how it's really static. I mean, wait, actually it's a good idea to use it this way. Current camera to view, blah blah blah. So just for the sake of you, I'm gonna have to like, you know what, I think I'll just make the current camera and just everything, you know. A global variable. Where the hell is the variable, dude? Where did I put the mesh? Cool. So now all we have to do is since it's created, we don't have to do it here, and we just have to assign that. So it should work here as well. Now there is only one error. It's when creating the shader. Where is it? I don't see that. When we create the shader, there is an error. Come on. I edited the code, so it must be somewhere else here. There. So shaders, vertex dot shader. So I believe they're a GL new integer. Yep, they are. I don't know, you would make them a global variable, but your integer, still there is one error. Make, oh, actually more than one. Where? Oh man, you gotta go. Okay. Or if it really returns 0. Oh, there are two, and the main shader will delete main shader program. No, okay. Cool. Anyone? Terry. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, how you doing? I don't know when he joined, and he probably have left the stream by now. I mean, yeah, one watching should have checked the chat, dude. I made a big mistake again. Fuck. Sounds like a weird Aussie name. Aussie. Yeah, sorry I missed your chat, man. Yeah, I'm always missing the chats. Shouldn't be a streamer, to be honest. So, like, it compiles and run without any error, I presume. What? Double free or corruption? Whoa, dude. Where the hell is that even happening, dude? Did Gemini add something? No. Corruption? No way, dude. I fucked something up. I don't know what it could be, but something around comparing the shaders or something. Core dumped, okay. What a lovely error, dude. It tells me nothing yet. A lot of things at the same time. The nothing is that. I don't know where the problem is actually at. Again, hey, Terry or Cody, welcome back to my stream. Here I'm having segmentation fault-ish kinda error. Not exactly, but you know, it's still a leak is a leak. No, I'd missed the chat again. Maybe. Oh, it's happening there already. So it works this way. Nothing wrong with it. I can see the bump that you were here, but I don't think that's the same anymore. pause it. I believe that the error is at somewhere else when calling the delete function. Oh no, delete function. Not function, but you know. I see why. See. That's where it occurs. No, I actually wanna run the code. Hey, let me run the code, damn it. Be quick, man. Yeah, what the hell? Oh, see, now it works. There we go. It's shader and yet again shader, not GLCL, but I might change it. Okay, this time should work. Yeah, I didn't because it failed to load the devs program shader. Yeah, that's because I don't have anything. Okay, it should work. Yep. Yeah, we can't quite see anything.